Good afternoon and welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our Jaguar. As you can see, it's an XF 2.2 diesel. It's the Sportbrake, so the estate car version of the XF. It's a premium and luxury automatic finished in metallic grey. So this car is 2014 registered, 2 owners from new, and has only covered 59,000 miles from new. 2 owners, 2 keys, 59,000 miles. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 services. So a very good service history. Had the cam belt replaced 2,000 miles ago at 57,000 miles. So great history, and had the cam belt replaced. Jaguar Eagle Formula 1 tyres all round. Keyless entry, keyless start. As you can see, inside we have the Barley leather. Electric seats, and they are memory for the driver's seat. So electric memory driver's seat. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth DAB radio. Reverse camera, power tailgate, heated seats, obviously automatic. So great spec car, privacy glass, and it does have the space saver spare wheel, because I've just checked. Quite a few of the sport brakes that we see come through don't have a spare wheel, especially not the 2.2s, but this has space saver spare wheel. So you get front and rear park sensors. This one has the reverse camera, electric tailgate, load covers in there, which is always nice. Lovely and clean in there. If I can lift this up, I can probably show you. A bit difficult with the camera in my hand, but yeah. Space saver spare wheel. The box has just got the lock-in tie down clips for safely locating anything that you have in the boot. Oh, if I press the button in the load area, just some load area locating clips. Right, so yeah, beautiful paintwork, really clean example. As I say, matching Goodyear tyres all round, premium tyres. Wheels aren't corroded or curved at all, don't look like they've been refurbed, just original, and the car is in superb condition. There's a little button there for the keyless entry. Folding mirrors, Meridian HiFi. There's the memories for the driver's seat. Nice grey leather steering wheel, 59,197 miles. As I say, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, reverse camera, which I'll show you in one moment, electric seat. So sat nav, pop it in reverse, nice big clear reverse camera, telephone or Bluetooth, heated seats, DAB digital radio. You can display your climate control on the screen as well. Okay, so great spec. Obviously cruise control, paddles on the steering wheel for the automatic gearbox. Really lovely example of a 14 plate premium luxury Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel automatic sport brake, priced at £12,995 with fantastic service history and the cam belt replaced. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Instagram or Facebook. If you do, please like, subscribe, follow, comment. That would be great for us. And also all of our car videos, some 2,000 of them, including this one, end up on our YouTube channel. That's Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you move over to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and then you will be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.